Welcome to the MTD Technical Corner. Today we have a real treat, a product launch, CAMIO gear from Alke Metrology. Welcome to the MTD studio, Mark.
Nice to be here, thank you.
Mark, it's always a pleasure to look at new technology and to look at new innovations. Can you give our audience an overview of CAMIO gear and tell us why you have designed this new software?
Okay, CAMIO gear has been built onto the CAMIO platform, our own software. Momentarily, most people buy a gear machine, but this gives us the functionality of actually using our machines with CAMIO gear to measure gears and to measure other parts as well. Everyone's measured gears for hundreds of years. They're very complicated things, but with our new solution, I think we can corner the market and show what we can do with our software and our technology.
So historically, gears were manufactured with bespoke, dedicated gear measuring equipment, but with this new software and this new solution from Alke Metrology, they can be done on your CMMs.
Correct. If you've got an existing Alke machine, you can bolt on this module and turn your machine into a gear checker, right, as well as a CMM for doing general measurement duties.
So you get flexibility.
Correct.
So it's not only for brand new machine purchases or new CMMs, but also legacy machines.
Correct. Retrofits are very easily done. Basically, it's just a module into the software onto our standard CAMIO platform.
Okay. You mentioned that gears are very complex and very difficult to measure. So can you give us an indication of how easy they are? Can you give us a demonstration how easy they are?
I'd love to give you a demo. So this is our CAMIO platform, and as you can see, we've got our CAMIO DMIS, and I've got a gear here. So basically, along the top, we can decide whether we're going to scan the gear or we're going to do touch trigger. This one, we're going to use an SP25, so we can continuously scan down the lead and the profile. Gives us better format of the shape of the gear, because the most important thing is the tooth. That does all the work. If that profile's wrong, you get grinding or you get bad performance. So basically, we launch our gear parameter, and it takes us straight in to our gear. Basically, this is a package that allows us to input the nominals. So you can see here how many teeth, and as I click the teeth, you can see it interacts with the screen straight away. So basically, we're forming what our gear is, and we've got certain parameters. So we know what module it is. It could be a 3.5, and from that, the gear software's got technology to build the nominals up. Only needs certain parameters. We need to know the pressure angle, and we need to know if it's a helix. So basically, we do involute gears, we do spur gears. This is a straight down gear, so this is just spur standard gear. We've got a thickness, so if I want to, my gear say 50mm thick, I click that button, and automatically you can see now I've got my gear. So I've set up just a few parameters to start, so that's telling me what gear it is, and from that it knows how many teeth, the pressure angle, it knows all the profile of the gear. This is all standard gear technology. So from this we can then tell it all our parameters, how many teeth we want to measure. From there I can take one out, I can put one in, etc.
So it's completely completely conversational.
Oh, great!
Completely
yes.
conversational.
You will have a drawing and all these parameters will be on there. So basically it's quickly type in and away you go. And as you can see, as we're going around on this screen, it's building up a path where the probe's going to go. You don't need to worry about probe angles, probe clearances. We can do, so I can work out the tip diameter, the root diameter. I can do multiple things here. But basically, just for this example, I'm just going to go, okay, let's just measure 4 teeth. Yeah, I'm going to tell it to go 10mm above as I measure. I'm going to tell it to create a program. That's it. So from that, I say done. And the CAMIO software has now got the intelligence to work out how many angles, because obviously I'm going to need a different angle for each tooth. I could sit there for hours going, well, I need this and this. This will automatically work out how many angles, create you a program to calibrate all those angles for you automatically.
And it's that easy?
Yeah, that easy. So I say okay to that. And you can see there it said, oh, I need those angles. These are my new angles. I need that. Do you want me to calibrate them for you? I go, yes. Yeah. Automatically create me a program, finish, done.
It's that quick?
That quick. And what we've done here is, using the DMIS command, it's created a program for us to run.
Now, with gear manufacturing, effectively what you're saying here, you're simplifying the way that you're programming this inspection of gears.
Yes, we're taking a lot of the thought out of it that operators need. So they will have all these parameters. They can put it in. Your program's there for you.
Okay, gears, you know, there's a big, massive market for gears.
Yep.
But, you know, let's talk about some of the gears that are out there. You know, for example, wind turbines.
Yep.
You know, this is a growing marketplace, very large gears. Are you capable of inspecting gears of that size at LK Metrology?
Basically, the only thing that stops you measuring your gear is the size of your machine you've got. I've seen gears of 2 meters diameter being measured on a CMM. So you've got a gear, we make your machine to fit.
So you can actually make a machine of that size?
Yes.
To inspect a gear of that
Yep.
size?
Yep.
So there's no limitations really?
Nope.
But you've got the flexibility of also inspecting other parts on that CMM,
Yeah.
so you're getting added value.
That's right. Your machine's sat there, you might only get 1 gear a week. Meanwhile, you can then measure all your other parts.
So why would you need a dedicated gear inspecting machine now?
I don't think you do anymore. I think this is the perfect solution to the next generation for gears and CMMs.
Accuracy?
OK machines start at 0.7 of a micron. So from there we can, depending on your gear accuracy, we can fit you all in. No
And
problem.
in regards to standards, what kind of standards can you check these gears to?
So we use the standard of the gear metrology world. So we've got a DIN 3962 and we've got an ISO 1328. So that covers both standards and that's switchable in the software. So you can measure one to one standard, one to another standard.
And this software is capable of measuring all gears?
All gears up to bevel gears. Bevel gears are a difficult gear to measure, but in our next iteration of CAMIO gear, that will be an option.
And in regards to a demonstration, if people were interested in what they saw in this technical corner, are you open to give demonstrations?
We certainly are. We'd love to see people come up with a gear and we can see what we can do. We can test our gear software out, bring it up to our factory, and we go up to 6 meters. So obviously give us a shout if it's 6 meters, but yeah, bring your gears, we can test them, we can give you a report, we can do subcon inspection, and we can look at new machines for you.
Well, just one thing left, Mark. Can you give us a demo?
I certainly can. So this is using an SP25, so it's continuous scanning, and you can see it's scanning down the profile and the lead, and it's going to go all around this gear. But probably take about 2 minutes, 2-3 minutes.
And is that a typical time for inspecting a gear?
Yes, depending on, this is measuring every tooth. We could just do 4. So, but basically once the operator says go, all the clearance moves, all the tool changes, everything's built in.
Depending on the diameter, I suppose.
Yeah, yeah. As you see now, it's gone off, got a new angle. It's done everything for you.
Mark, it's been an absolute pleasure. So there you have it, LK Metrology CAMIO gear, a brand new innovation with no limits. I believe that you can measure gears up to 6 meters in diameter. If this is something that you are interested in, please contact LK Metrology.